there are two dates that you need to take into account pag bumili po kayo ng property. Yung una is the subject removal date. Yung pangalawa is the closing date. Yung subject removal date po, this is usually about 10 days from the time you make an offer on the property. Bago po dumating yung araw na ito ay nagpapa-review na kayo ng documents, nagpapa-inspect na kayo, at naninigurado na kayo na makakuha kayo ng mortgage. Para pagdating ng subject removal date, magre-remove na kayo ng subjects. And at that point, you are now in a binding contract to purchase that property. Ang pangalawa is closing date. Ito naman yung time na makukuha na ninyo yung susi para sa property na binibili ninyo. Usually, ang suggestion ko is you make your closing date at least a week before yung end of the month. Para po pagkakuha ninyo ng susi ninyo, meron pa kayong oras na magpalinis, do minor paintings or whatever, bago po kayo kailangan mag-vacate doon sa rental ninyo, which is usually end of the month. So meron kayong isang linggo to move out and to clean yung rental ninyo bago na naman yung i-turn over to sa inyong landlord. So if you have more questions, please contact me. Ito po si Maylene Lim, ang inyong Pinay Mortgage Broker.